welcome to Mithi's kitchen. Today we are making roast chicken, and this chicken is really my own recipes and I really love that. I love to cook and my favorite is chicken, so I like to cook more chicken. So I will show you, this is my best recipe and I have ingredients for that one, like a quarter cup of fried onion, 1 tablespoon of each garlic and also green chili, and 2 green chili cut, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of fenugreek leaves, our methi leaves, dry methi, and also quarter cup of turmeric, half tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and half tablespoon of spicy chili powder, and half, like 1 tablespoon of salt. And here I have 1 cardamom, the black one, the 1 cinnamon stick, and 7 I have black pepper and 4 clove, and also 1 tablespoon of cumin seed and 2 bay leaves. So let's start. I really enjoy my recipes, this one, and how that turns very good with what other ingredients I will show you. So you can see that my pan is enough hot. So at this point I will add cumin seed and also with other dry spices. At this point I will add garlic and chili paste. I like more chili paste because it makes really tasty food, you know, very good taste. So you can see that it's frying very well. So you can see that our garlic is changing color. So at this point I will add our chicken. It's roasting very well, so we will let it cook a couple of minutes. You can see that it's turning like a white, but we will let it cook one side couple of minutes. So friends, you can see that now after a couple of minutes we will turn our chicken, and you can see that it's roasting very well. And we will turn other side. You can see that with the garlic and also chili paste, it's really coated very good on chicken. So now we will let it cook a couple of minutes. At this point, what we will do, I have another pan which is for my potatoes, and I will fry the potatoes. And I have 3 potatoes. I have cut and rinsed very well, and it is like potato chips. You can see that. And I have like half tablespoon of red chili powder and salt. So we will just let it coated with this. at this point we have our oil is enough hot, and we will put the potato inside. And what we will do, we will cook potato with the low medium heat, so it can turn very well. So now at this point we will let it cook potato with a low heat. As you can see that now our chicken is cooking very well. At this point we will add our fried onion, and also this is all our spices, include green pepper we will add it. You can smell it is really very great aroma comes, it's roasting very well chicken. So and at this point I will just add couple tablespoons of water to get the roast very well. As you can see that our chicken is cooking very well. So at this point I will add like a half a cup water. So our chicken gets very good cook inside. Because remember we are not planning to keep much moisture in the chicken, so we have to keep it less and continuous cooking like this. If we need it more we will add it, but at this point we will let it cook like this. So now I have my another stove ready that I am making some rice, and for the rice I am adding ghee, like 2 tablespoons of ghee. So now I will add my cumin seed and also black pepper and couple of bay leaves. At this point we will add our rice. The rice we will cook on open part because rice should not be covered. So at this point I will add like a half tablespoon of salt and also half teaspoon of turmeric. So friends, you can see that our chicken is cooking very well. And when this oil moisture will gone, by the time chicken will turn very well. So friends, at this point I will add like 2 cups of water. We will add it more when this water evaporates. So friends, you can see that now we will turn our potato chips. I have checked that one more time, but and I probably in couple more minutes it will be done, and you can see that some of the turn very well. So we will fry like this, and potato chips don't take too long, you know that. And since we have this roasted chicken, it will be very nice potato chips. We eat potato chips with lot of our Gujarati dishes, so this potato chips is one of my favorite. So we will let it cook couple more minutes, and we will turn off our potato chips. As you can see that now our rice is done, so we will let her simmer on couple of minutes. At this point I am turning off stove for the rice, and I will cover that. So friends, now let's go and check our chicken. Wow, it's really great. So at this point our chicken done very well, so we will add our cilantros and let it mix, and we will turn off our stove at this point, because you can see that aroma comes very well and our chicken is well done. So friends, you can see that now our rice done very well. At this point we will take it out of our rice. Add our chicken. You can see that our chicken turned very well. This is like a roasted chicken. You can see that there is no curry in it, you know, so this is turning very well. So now let's add our chicken. We will put some all masalas on that. So Now we will add our potatoes. So you can see that our potato fry very well, and we will put it on side some potatoes. So this is our full meal, because without veggies it cannot be finished, right? So at this point I will add some few cilantros on that, on potatoes. And I want you to follow these recipes, you will really enjoy, because I have always loved to cook for my kids. And now for garnish I will add some almond, cut almonds, so you can see that. So friends, you can see that now our chicken is done. This is roasted chicken, fried potatoes, and rice. And rice I have added with the turmeric little bit. So, and you know that turmeric has a lot of benefits, so it is good to use for any recipes. You don't go wrong with it. And I want you to try these recipes. If you have any question, comments, please leave it in our comment box. And I'll be back again with another simple recipes. Until then, have a blessed day.